Hey guys, today we're going to show you how to use Midollino stick and make a structure coming up. Hey guys, Donald Yim here.
Angelyn Tipton.
So what we're going to show us today?
We're going to look at Midollino and how to make a structure out of the Midollino.
Wow, that's look difficult. Is it difficult to do?
No, it's not difficult.
Okay.
You can French braid, then you can make this.
Wow, that's look wonderful. I tried at the first time and it's really fun. Let's do this.
All right. Okay, so now we're going to look at the first step would be to take something and get a really good tight secure end so all your pieces don't come out, and then again we're going to wet it and just run it right through the water. And then since I don't have three hands, I'm going to put it down between my knees to hold it. I'm going to pick out some Midollino to begin with, and I'm going to decide if I want a really long spiral or a more short spiral or just kind of in between. And then I'm going to start our braid. So we have three pieces that are all about the same, and we're going to just do our regular braid for a couple of times. And then we're going to start with, this one is on top and it's on the inside, so we're going to pick up a piece of Midollino and bring it and lay that right with it and cross the outside over. We're going to come underneath, pull one from the same area, bring it under and back over to the top. And now that's back in the center. So this one's on the outside, it goes back to the middle. We pick up one other piece, come back across and add it in. Now you don't have to add them one at a time. You can add them twos and fours. It just depends on the look that you want of the individual pieces. When you get far enough out, you want to be able to see the spiral, so we're actually going to turn it a little bit more, and this helps with creating that nice spiral that you saw in the original sample that I made. And we're just going to keep going. If you're not careful, some of your pieces won't be as tight as you need them to be, so you always need to watch and make them the same so that the spiral does turn out even. If you get them too tight, you can come back in and loosen them up. So just pay attention to that as you come along and do it.
So Angelyn, when we are done, so what we're going to do with it?
So now that it's dried, we have all of the ends that we need to trim away.
Okay, so tidying up.
Tidying it up. And if possible, I like to cut them all where they're on the bottom side.
So it won't stick it out.
So it won't stick out. And as it dries, there'll be some more that come out, and we'll just go back and trim those away as well.
So do you have a special scissors to do that, or just using clippers? And
just using some good clippers. Not my
and it's like just perfect looking. Like every single one is like, you have to calculate, almost you need to calculate how far you go out, how much you go, is it?
You just try and pull it the same length and always hold it in the same position so that each of the individual spines are the same length. Now you can see I got further for this one because I wanted the tail to cascade on around.
I think I have to tell everyone, this kind of work you have to practice a few times to get it right.
Yes.
Because the first time I do is not look right at all. Be honest with you, I was like really disappointing myself, but at the same time, as I tried a few times in my hotel room, it's become more perfect. I still need to go home and practice more.
Yes.
So, but just don't give up. The first time you try, maybe it's not the way you want, but make sure you go home and practice again.
Yes. So then you can decide whether you want to make this into a cascading bouquet, or if you want to bring this around and attach it here and use it as a form for an arrangement.
Okay.
And all we have to do now is add flowers.
Okay, so as a bouquet, right now, we're doing a bouquet.
Okay.
Good.
So we're just going to add the hydrangea right into the center. Maybe some stalk.
So you just put that in between the structure.
In between the structure.
In a spiral way of doing the hand-tie bouquet.
Yes.
Good. So basically, you're using a structure to holding the flower at the same time is like decorative purpose. Beautiful. Hey Angelyn, you just have two finished products here. Can you explain to our viewer how did you do it, or what is this?
Okay, so this is the structure you all saw me braid, and I didn't cut away the very tips where I attached it back in because I wanted you to be able to see how to attach it. And then I just added in a little bit of lily grass across the top to give it some texture, weaving in and out, and added the roses and the trick and the sunflowers.
This is a vase arrangement, so
Yes.
this is a structure, put it on top, and then you start to arranging flowers in it.
Straight into it.
Wow, this is beautiful. This is fabulous design.
Thank you.
So what the other one is?
This one is more for a bridal bouquet to carry down the aisle.
Wow.
And again, I just used the structure, put in my hydrangea and roses and stalk and a few calla lilies, and then I added the bare grass, lily grass down at the bottom to accentuate the cascade.
This is absolutely beautiful. This technique actually is good for competition, good for structure, good for even do a vase arrangement. That is a wonderful, wonderful idea. Thank you so much.
Thank you
for helping me this afternoon for my YouTube channel. If you like this video, make sure you hit the like button below and share with your friend and subscribe. Thank you for watching this. Bye.
Bye.
Do a structure. So, sorry.